Welcome back, and it looks like a good gap-up start for the Indian markets, and we'll watch out for what kind of a recovery we witnessed when it comes to Nifty Bank. But amidst this market, there are a lot of stocks that are in focus on the back of the news flow. So let's get in that list, and Snehi is joining us with all of that. Good morning, Snehi. Take it away.
Well, yes, good morning, Shushi. Lots of stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Most of them in focus on the back of quarter four updates. On that note, let's begin with the real estate pack. Let's talk about Sobha. Their quarter four update seems to be good on a quarterly basis. Quarter four sales have come in at 1,836 crores, which is an uptick of 22% year on year. FY25 sales, however, have seen a downtick of 5.5%. Realization per square foot has also gone up by 5% year on year. So looking like a mixed set of numbers from Sobha, but largely good. Godrej Properties, good set of quarter four updates coming in just this morning. Quarter four FY25 booking value is up 7% year on year to 10,163 crores, and they have surpassed their FY25 sales guide, the annual guidance for the booking value, that by 109%. So 9% more than what they had guided is what they have achieved. Well, that's also a stock that's going to be in focus. They've signed a joint development agreement for a 10-acre residential project in Mysore with an estimated GDV of 225 crore rupees. Moving away from real estate, here's another list of stocks to watch out for. Watch out for BEL today. They've received an order of 2,210 crores for electronic warfare from the Indian Air Force. Maruti Suzuki will be in focus because they're all set to undertake price hikes up to rupees 62,500 across its models. That's going to be implemented beginning today. So watch out for how this stock reacts today. M&M from the auto pack will also be in focus on the back of its March auto sales. Total production has come in at 88,701 units, which is an uptick of 23.5% year on year. Sales have also gone up by 19.3% on a year on year basis. They've also incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary named Mahindra Advanced Technologies. Lastly, also watch out for Cyient on the back of a block deal. We understand that HDFC MF has acquired an additional 6.23 lakh shares in the company at a price of 1,099 rupees per share, making this whole transaction amounting to 68.5 crore rupees. So watch out for all of these stocks in today's trade.
Snehi, we'll leave it at that, but tell us about Titan, given their upbeat Q4 update.
Well, absolutely. So good set of quarter four updates coming in from Titan, and especially if you compare it with quarter three, very good set of numbers coming in. On a standalone basis, the growth in the quarter has been 25% year on year, and overall FY25 growth for the standalone business has been 21% on a year on year basis. In quarter four, Titan has added 55 stores, which brings their total store to 2,989. Let's talk about the jewelry segment now. Overall growth has been logged in at 25% on a year-on-year basis, and good growth coming in from the jewelry business this time. Growth has been led by gold jewelry as well as gold coins, and elevated gold coins have led to sluggish consumer demand at lower price points, but that's not the case at higher price points because they have seen double-digit growth when it comes to higher ticket sales. So that is looking good when it comes to jewelry sales. Studded jewelry has registered low double-digit value growth. Solitaire segment has flipped around. Remember, in quarter three this was lagging behind, but quarter four numbers for solitaire is looking very good. They witnessed a turnaround with growth in both buyer base as well as value. Overall, like-to-like sales for jewelry has grown at 15% year on year. Tanishq has added new stores in Sharjah, Atlanta and Seattle, and 16 new additions when it comes to store additions when it comes to the jewelry segment. Watches, let's talk about watches. Overall growth has been 22% year on year. Titan, Fast Track, Sonata, they've all done very well. The growth of 18% year on year. Helios, Titan World and Fast Track have also seen healthy double-digit growth. Eye Care, overall growth has been 19%. Healthy double-digit growth coming in for the for Titan Eye Plus as well, especially from its international brands. E-commerce has emerged as the new driver for the sunglasses segment, and Titan Eye Plus numbers are also looking very good. Among businesses, when you talk about that, fragrances was up 26%, fashion accessories have done well, a 12% growth. Taneira sales continue to be in pressure, and they were also down 4% on a year-on-year basis. This is in line with quarter three. CaratLane also, overall growth has been of 22%. Healthy growth in studded portfolio has been seen. What brokerages are making of this? Macquarie has maintained outperform with a rating target price of 4,000 rupees per share. Morgan Stanley has maintained overweight with a target price of 3,876, and Citi has maintained a neutral with a target price of 3,550 on the back of Titan's quarter four updates.